It all began on August 7, 2023, when Reddit user Velcro made a post to the RUFOs community. The post contained infrared footage depicting an incredible and chilling event. Recently, I saw this footage circulating online, and I was hoping that someone here might have information about when this was taken and where. User Velcro wrote, "The footage depicts a passenger plane flying steadily across the frame. Without warning, 3 circular objects rapidly encircle the aircraft, weaving in synchronized orbits. As they continue their circular trajectory, the plane makes a sharp leftward turn, seemingly trying to evade its strange pursuers. But the bright spheres stay locked on target, refusing to break their formation. Then, as the plane straightens its path once more, all 3 objects suddenly converge on the helpless aircraft. A bizarre flash occurs, and the plane has vanished. Upon closer inspection, the aircraft bears a striking resemblance to a Boeing 777-200ER. This is the same model of the infamous Malaysia Airlines Flight 370 that tragically and mysteriously vanished in March 2014 while en route from Kuala Lumpur to Beijing. Soon, a second video of the incident appeared, this time taken from an apparent satellite in orbit high above the Earth over the location. The distant plane can be seen once more, ambushed by the luminous objects that previously surrounded it at close range. The higher vantage point provides corroboration that the same aircraft and incident are depicted. Armed with this new perspective, users vigorously dissected both videos. A pivotal clue lies in the coordinates briefly visible in the satellite video footage. Redditors quickly determined that a US spy satellite named NROL-22 captured the event based on partial name markings. Launched in 2006, NROL-22 was a classified satellite on a unique Molniya orbit. Reddit user, u/DroogyDon'tCrashHere, conducted an extensive analysis plotting the location of surveillance satellite NROL-22 relative to the coordinates displayed in the video. They determined that at its point of closest approach, NROL-22 passed within 4,434 kilometers of the coordinates in the southern Indian Ocean. With the satellite reaching a peak altitude of 83 degrees, its elevation above the coordinates was approximately 4,401 kilometers. This positions NROL-22 tantalizingly close to the location depicted in the satellite footage during the projected time period of MH370's disappearance. Another critical revelation uncovered by Reddit users is that the original satellite footage exhibits a stereoscopic 3D effect. This indicates the video was captured using 2 separate camera lenses spaced apart, allowing for parallax and depth perception. User something demonstrated that when viewing the video by crossing your eyes, a perceptible 3D depth becomes apparent in elements like the clouds and orb flash. They also provided split-screen footage showing the stereo effect directly. This stereoscopic capability matches known sensors equipped on advanced reconnaissance satellites like the classified NROL-22, suspected of capturing the event. Going back to the FLIR thermal video, it depicts an unconventional camera angle that initially raised doubts about its credibility. Some claimed the view could not be achieved from standard nose-mounted optics. However, users identified the drone as a General Atomics MQ-1C Grey Eagle based on its wing shape and expanded surveillance payload. The MQ-1C can accommodate multiple electro-optical sensors on its wings and fuselage for wide-area monitoring. As user command and control summarized, this expanded sensor configuration matches the airliner video's simultaneous view of the aircraft nose and wing from a side-mounted vantage point. The MQ-1C's capabilities resolve the questionable camera positioning, lending validity to the thermal footage. To further the mystery, in the satellite video footage, a strange hole is seen forming in the clouds immediately after the flash event that makes the plane disappear. This punctured area was not present prior to the flash occurring. Once the hole manifests, it persists in a fixed position, even as the camera pans away from the area. The timing and static nature of the ruptured cloud segment suggests a connection to the energy flash. The energy release can be observed pushing the gray cloud area forward. Additionally, the flash illumination itself appears reflected on surrounding clouds. This showcases complex physics interactions between the light blast and cloud layers. The appearance of this well-timed hole, along with the visible cloud deformations from the explosion, constitutes an incredibly meticulous level of detail. Incorporating such nuanced atmospheric effects lends further credibility to the footage showcasing advanced visuals beyond casual hoaxing efforts. If all this wasn't enough proof, a third video came to light that appears to capture the same event from yet another angle. The potential emergence of more classified footage adds to the credibility of an extraordinary event being captured from multiple recording platforms, and reinforces that advanced military assets may have been tracking and documenting the bizarre occurrence. So where did this footage come from? The source of these perplexing videos appears to be a murky YouTube user named Regicideanon. This uploader published the footage months after its stated date of receipt, before their account mysteriously vanished without a trace. Regicideanon's video descriptions reference classified sources providing the videos in mid-2014, coinciding closely with MH370's March disappearance. They also posted other aerial footage claimed to be leaked military material around the same time frame. Curiously, all evidence of Regicideanon's existence has been scrubbed from the internet, with only the videos themselves persisting on archive sites. Neither the original user nor their full YouTube account is recoverable through searches or caches. Only breadcrumbs remain in the form of references to their channel's vanished content. The original videos went unnoticed at first, only gaining viewership or recognition when they re-emerged in 2023. This complete erasure of Regicideanon's online footprint adds an extra layer of intrigue. If part of an elaborate hoax, why remove all traces of the clever ruse's creator? The meticulous elimination of the account fuels speculation that a calculated cover-up of the video's true origins is afoot. Some posit Regicideanon may have been a genuine whistleblower who exposed classified footage and paid the price through systemic deletion. But without the full truth of their identity and motives, the original uploader remains an inscrutable player in this mystery. Their conspicuous absence only deepens the cryptic aura surrounding the videos. The mysteries surrounding these eerie videos may never be fully solved. Their origins, authenticity, and implications provoke endless questions that elude definitive answers. Yet the act of sharing this footage, analyzing details, and crowdsourcing insights represents a grassroots quest for truth at its purest. Out of darkness, light is shed. And inch by inch, we edge closer to revelations that once seemed unthinkable.